Installation tutorial for new Vito electric door.
First, remove the door panel. Remove the trim. Unscrew 3 screws. The brightest one. Remove the door handle screws. And remove 3 clips below the door panel. Remove the cover clip. Remove the door. Unplug the inner handle cable and unplug the harness plug. Second, remove the door inner cover harness. Unclip to leather buckles. Lower the glass to see the screws. Loosen the 2 screws. Push the glass up. Fix it with tape. Remove the white plastic buckle and remove the plate. Remove all plugs on the interior panel. Drill off the original rivets
And rivet the riveted nut provided by our company.
on the door panel. Lower it and remove the panel. Unplug the plug. Remove the wire. Remove the interior. Third, remove the original lock. Unscrew 3 screws. Take off the cover. Loosen the screws. Pull the handle off. Push the lock back. Pull out the handle. Loosen this screw. Remove the lock. Remove the center strip. Remove the cable. Uninstall the lock. Fourth, install the WOSI lock. Install the center bar. Replace it with WOSI lock. Hang the pull wire on the handle. Fasten the buckle. Remove the original center. Replace it with my lock. The central control rod snaps on. Install the lock block. Tighten the screws. The lock block is installed. Install the Watson self-priming motor. Stick the installation position firmly. Plug in the signal cable plug. Reset all original plug and wire screws. Pull the inner handle cable through this hole. Reset the interior. Tighten the screw. Plug the screw harness into the original one. After plugging in the plug, reset the interior panel and cover. Finally, install the gasket provided by our company on the latch. All done. The suction effect after completion.